Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you work with PDF files a lot, you probably already know the pain. Editing PDFs, converting them, signing documents, or working with scanned files usually means paying a high monthly subscription, and most people immediately think of Adobe Acrobat. But what if I tell you that you no longer need Adobe at all? There's a free all-in-one PDF editor for Windows and Mac as well that can do almost everything. Editing text and images, converting PDFs, OCR for scanned files, AI tools, security features, and much more, without forcing you into an expensive subscription. In today's video, I'll be showing you a complete and detailed tutorial of Tenorshare PDNob PDF editor for Windows. I've been using Tenorshare PDNob PDF editor, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, feature by feature, so you can decide if it's the right Adobe Acrobat alternative for you. This is not a promotion, this is a full honest walkthrough, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether you should switch or not. Let's jump right in. This is an all-in-one PDF editor that lets you read, edit, convert, organize, protect, compress, and even use AI to interact with PDF files. I'll walk you through every feature step by step, exactly as available in the software. In this video, I'm going to show you everything this PDF editor can do step by step. This software can open and read PDF files, use different viewing modes, search tags, copy content, and reduce eye strain with reading modes. It allows you to edit PDF text directly, change font, size, color spacing, add or remove text, just like editing a Word document. You can insert, edit, resize, replace, rotate, or delete images inside a PDF. You can add, edit, or remove hyperlinks, apply backgrounds, and add text or image watermarks. It includes full annotation tools, highlight, underline, sticky notes, shapes, arrows, stamps, and an annotation summary. The software can convert PDFs into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, text, EPUB, PDF, and multiple image formats, and it supports batch conversion. It can create PDFs from Word files, Excel files, PowerPoint files, and images, including batch creation. It has AI-powered OCR, allowing you to convert scanned PDFs, images, and even handwriting into fully editable, searchable text with multi-language support. You can organize PDF pages, insert, delete, rotate, crop, reorder, extract pages, merge multiple PDFs, split large PDFs, and add headers, footers, and page numbers. It can also help you compress PDF files to reduce size while keeping the quality, including batch compression. It includes security features such as password protection, encryption, permission control, redaction of sensitive information, and watermark protection. It also includes screen recording and screenshot tools built directly into the software. And finally, it offers AI tools, summarizing PDFs, chatting with documents, explaining content, rewriting text, and smart document analysis. This video shows all of these features on Windows one by one with the real usage. Let's start. To download the software, all the links are available in the description of this video. Once you open PDNob PDF Editor on Windows, you will notice a clean and modern interface. The main toolbar is divided into sections for editing, annotation, conversion, page management, AI tools, and security. Everything is clearly labeled, making it easy for beginners and advanced users alike. Let's start with PDF reading and navigation. You can open any PDF and read it using a single page, continuous scroll, or full screen view. You can zoom in and out smoothly, search for specific text, and copy text directly from the document. There's also an eye care reading mode, which helps reduce eye strain when reading for long periods. Now let's move on to the editing text. One of the most powerful features, you can click on any text in the PDF and edit it directly. This includes changing the font style, size, color, spacing, or even adding and deleting text, all while keeping the original layout intact. PDNob also lets you edit images inside your PDF. You can insert new images, resize them, rotate them, replace existing images, or remove them completely. You can easily add, edit, or remove hyperlinks inside your PDF. You can also add or change backgrounds and apply watermarks to protect your documents or add branding. PDNob includes a full set of annotation tools. You can add comments, sticky notes, shapes, arrows, stickers, and stamps as well. There's also an annotation summary which allows you to quickly review all the comments in one place. If you are working with scanned PDF or images, PDNob has AI-powered OCR. This feature converts scanned documents, images, and even handwriting into fully editable and searchable text. It supports multiple languages and keeps the original layout as accurate as possible. The next one is PDF conversion. You can convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, text files, RTF, EPUB, PDF, and multiple image formats like PNG and JPG. PDNob also supports batch conversion, allowing you to convert multiple PDFs at once while preserving formatting. You can also create PDFs from Word documents, Excel files, PowerPoint presentation, images, and other file types. Batch creation is also supported, which saves a lot of our time when working with multiple files. It also offers powerful page management tools. You can insert, delete, rotate, crop, reorder, or extract the pages. You can merge multiple PDFs into one file or split a large PDF into smaller documents by compressing the document. You can also add headers, footers, and page numbers. If your PDF file is too large, you can use the compression tool. It reduces file size while maintaining good visual quality, and batch compression is also supported. It also includes advanced PDF security features. You can password protect your PDFs, encrypt them, and restrict editing, copying, or printing. There's also a redaction tool to permanently remove sensitive information from the documents. Now let's come up to the next feature, which is screen recording and screenshot tools. It even includes a built-in screen recorder. You can record your screen directly from the software, which is useful for tutorials and presentations. You can also take screenshots of any PDF page instantly. One of the biggest highlights of PDNob is its AI-powered tools. You can generate AI summaries for long documents in seconds. You can chat with your PDF, asking questions and receiving instant answers based on the document's content. AI tools can also rewrite text, explain complex content, and improve clarity. AI translations features are also a part of the PDNob roadmap. Let's come to my final thoughts. To sum it up, Tenorshare PDNob PDF Editor is a complete PDF solution for Windows and Mac, combining traditional PDF tools with powerful AI features. Whether you're a student, professional, or business user, it covers everything from basic editing to advanced automation. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.